Good afternoon once again. Ready na ang ating lunch for this Sunday afternoon. And this is, ano po yan? Chicken, ripieno di pollo. And ito po ay, this is polenta po from mais. And our fruit. Yan lang po. This is our simple lunch for this Sunday afternoon. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Blessed Sunday afternoon, everyone. At yan pa po ang ating cake. Banana cake na tira this morning. And yummy, yummy. Kain na po tayo. Thank you.